బ్యాక్ ఇస్రో సంస్థ మరో దేశీయ కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఉపగ్రహాన్ని కక్షలోకి విజయవంతంగా ప్రవేశపెట్టింది. ప్రస్తుతం ఇస్రో శాస్త్రవేత్తలు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
And my distinguished colleagues, MRR members, as Chairman ISRO told, in 35 days we are meeting here 3 times, and I can say I am fortunate that first on GSAT 29, 14th of November I was here, and today also I am standing behalf of you. So I can only say big salute to Team ISRO and its work culture, that whatever goals are set in front of us, we will achieve them, we will scale new heights. This is what we have been doing it and will continue to do further. As far as GSAT 7A is considered, there are many firsts in it. For this time, we are using Gregorian antenna for better roll-off, better cross-pole, without compromising any gain within given heat shield envelope. Then there is a steerability doing a single axis mechanism developed by URSC, as well as we have synthesized K-band TTC systems. So all this has been happened because of continuous efforts by SAC, CMSC team, as well as ISAC mechanism teams. So I compliment all of them for achieving long-cherished dream of developing all these new systems. And I am sure their performance in orbit will be also equally wonderful. I thank all my director URSC as well as program director for giving me encouragement as well as mentoring during this course of the journey. As I said, GSAT 29 work when it was moving, that time, same time GSAT 7A was going on. So my entire checkout AIT team, they have actually taken my load and done the project work. So I actually compliment my team, Pramod, Abhishek, Abhay Prasad, who have actually done this project work in the last leg of the journey, 24 hours. Thank you one and all. This is all your success.
Respected Chairman ISRO, seniors and my dear colleagues, it's a great achievement by Team ISRO. Within a month, we have launched PSLV, GSLV Mark III, and again GSLV Mark II. By putting the GSAT 7A in the correct orbit, GSLV F11 has done another major achievement. For this entire team, ISRO has done very good work. Recently, a survey has been floated in the social media that the top 15 organizations. So among these, ISRO is coming, only central government organization coming in the first 15 and comes as a 10th place. Sir, under your leadership, we will try to come for the first place in the working conditions of all organizations in this country. For this mission, my team from IPRC has contributed 4 L40 engines and a GS2 stage and a CUS stage. All systems were realized in time and without much NCs. In fact, if you look at it, for GS2, no NCs at all. For CUS stage, workman related things, only the 5 NCs were there. That also we realized it to make it to 0 with your absolute quality program. So at this juncture, let me compliment and congratulate all my ISRO teams, particularly IPRC team, for this wonderful achievement. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Respected Chairman, senior colleagues and my colleagues across all centers, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to all of you. Let me join in congratulating the project team for the successful mission and the team ISRO, entire team ISRO for this wonderful mission. Today, GSAT 7A has been precisely injected into an orbit, intended orbit, and precision of these orbits have become a way of life for ISRO now, and we are extremely happy about it. And as was mentioned, in the last 35 days, the 3 launch vehicle mission and 4 satellite missions have been accomplished, and this is primarily because of the hard work and dedicated efforts of Team ISRO. And at this point, I thank all of you, and in particular my IASU team, for delivering 3 launch vehicle systems as well as 4 spacecraft systems with excellent performance. So the challenge ahead is great, and under the leadership of our respected chairman, we are in fact rediscovering that our capability more and more. So as days go by, our performance is improving. So let us keep it up, and let me thank once again all of you. Thank you.
Good evening to you all. Our F-11 launch vehicle has put GSAT-7A into a precise orbit, giving it additional life. GSLV F-11 is different from the previous vehicles. It is a longer and more powerful because of the improved GS2 stage and cryo stage with the improved, more powerful cryogenic engine. The all performance of the vehicle systems were normal. It was excellent performance. And the composite launch vehicle systems and stages were realized in lead centers of ISRO, VSSC, LPSC, SDSC, IPRC, and IASU by the hundreds of people working day and night and putting dedicated effort. And all substances were supplied by the industries. The 54 days of integration was very smooth, except for the last 1 week, where the real ISRO's magical teamwork came to help to put back the vehicle on track. In facing the cyclone and in the launch rehearsal time, all teams have risen and resequenced the activities so that we never lost the schedule. It was an experience of the multiple teams working in parallel with excellent coordination, with a common goal, and bringing back the vehicle back on track. It's an excellent proof for our ISRO.
వరుస ప్రయోగాలు విజయాలతో ఇస్రో దూసుకుపోతోంది. 4 రోజుల వ్యవధిలో 3వ ప్రయోగం కూడా విజయవంతం కావడంతో ఇస్రో శాస్త్రవేత్తల్లో ఆనందం వెల్లివిరుస్తోంది. GSLV F-11 ప్రయోగం విజయవంతంగా నింగిలోకి దూసుకుపోయింది. దీంతో కమ్యూనికేషన్ వ్యవస్థ మరింత బలం